The ADV 350 2025 is a scooter with the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology, practicality, and adventurous spirit. For riders looking for comfort and ruggedness in one package, the ADV 350 is ready to be a loyal companion on the road. One of the most striking features on the ADV 350 2025 is the 5-inch color TFT screen that replaces the previous LCD screen. It displays information more clearly and functionally, and is equipped with optical bonding technology that ensures optimum visibility, even in bright sunlight. In addition, RoadSync Connectivity is now integrated in the new screen, allowing drivers to access navigation, phone, music, and weather reports directly from their smartphones, both Android and iOS. The system is easily operated via the 4-way button on the left handlebar, which is backlit for convenience at night. The ADV 350 also excels in practicality. The storage space under the seat is now equipped with lighting, making it easy to use in low-light conditions and large enough to store 2 full-face helmets. There is also an additional compartment with a USB-C port for charging devices. With the smart key system, riders can operate the scooter contactlessly, and it even locks automatically when the rider is away. The ADV 350 stays true to its adventurous style inspired by the Honda XADV. With its tough body, dual prominent LED headlights, and height-adjustable windscreen, the ADV 350 comes with an all-terrain combat-ready feel. The high handlebars and upright riding position provide a good sense of control and maximum visibility, making the riding experience even more enjoyable. Equipped with a 330 cubic centimeters ESP Plus SOHC engine with 29 horsepower and 31.5 Newton-meters of torque, the ADV 350 delivers reliable performance. The engine is equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) to maintain stability by controlling the slip ratio between the front and rear wheels. The economical fuel consumption of 3.4 liters per 100 kilometers allows a range of over 330 kilometers with an 11.7 liter tank. Honda also meets the latest 5 Euro Plus emission standards for the ADV 350, which involves updates to the catalytic converter and engine management system. The 2025 model year is available in 4 new colors: Pearl Nightstar Black, Matte Ruthenium Silver Metallic, Hyper Red, and Matte Coal Black Metallic, while prices will be announced later.